In this video, we listed the top 5 best ceiling fan that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WINGBO 4.8-inch Modern Ceiling Fan. The WINGBO 4.8-inch Modern Ceiling Fan is a stylish and energy-efficient ceiling fan designed to enhance comfort and complement modern home interiors. Featuring a beautiful white and oak finish with durable wood blades, it blends seamlessly into bedrooms, living rooms, and other indoor spaces. Powered by DC technology, the fan delivers quiet operation while consuming less energy than traditional AC fans. It offers 6 adjustable speed settings and includes a convenient remote control for effortless operation. The integrated LED light kit provides bright, energy-saving illumination, making it a practical all-in-one lighting and cooling solution. With its 4.8-inch blade span, down rod mount, installation, and sleek painted finish, this fan ensures efficient airflow, reliable performance, and a contemporary look that fits a wide range of home decor styles. Number 2. Ohniyou 4.2-inch Ceiling Fan with LED Light. The Ohniyou 4.2-inch ceiling fan with LED light is a modern and versatile ceiling fan designed to provide efficient cooling and customizable lighting for bedrooms, dining rooms, living rooms, and home offices. Equipped with a quiet DC motor, it delivers powerful airflow while operating with minimal noise and improved energy efficiency. The fan features a 32W dimmable LED light with adjustable white color temperature up to 3000 K, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Users can conveniently control fan speed, lighting, and other settings using the included remote control or a compatible mobile app. Built with durable metal and plastic construction and a sleek polished finish, this 4.2-inch flush mount ceiling fan offers a space-saving design that complements modern interiors while delivering reliable performance and year-round comfort. Number 3. ORGINESE 5.2-inch Modern Ceiling Fan. The ORGINESE 5.2-inch Modern Ceiling Fan combines premium craftsmanship, smart controls, and powerful performance to deliver exceptional comfort for both indoor and covered outdoor spaces. Featuring artisan-crafted natural solid walnut blades with a sophisticated dark walnut finish, this stylish ceiling fan enhances living rooms, bedrooms, patios, gazebos, pergolas, and more. Its 2026 Gen 3 silent turbo DC motor operates at an ultra-quiet 20 decibels while providing up to 150% stronger airflow with 6 adjustable speed settings for year-round comfort. Users can conveniently control the fan through the included remote control, a mobile app, or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Designed with a durable downrod mount, installation, a 35W energy-efficient motor, and an integrated LED light kit, the 5.2-inch ORGINESE ceiling fan offers an ideal combination of modern aesthetics, whisper-quiet operation, energy savings, and reliable cooling for any contemporary home. Number 4. BOOSANT 5.2-inch Modern Ceiling Fan. The BOOSANT 5.2-inch Modern Ceiling Fan is a feature-packed ceiling fan designed to provide powerful airflow, smart convenience, and elegant style for bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, dorm rooms, and covered patios. Finished in a sophisticated gold-white color, this fan complements modern interiors while its energy-efficient DC motor delivers strong yet whisper-quiet performance at just 29 decibels. It supports multiple control options including a mobile app, voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and the included remote control, making operation effortless from anywhere. The integrated dimmable LED light features a convenient memory function that remembers your preferred lighting settings, while ETL certification ensures safety and reliability. Constructed from durable ABS and iron materials with a sleek painted finish, this 5.2-inch ceiling fan offers efficient cooling, customizable lighting, and modern smart home convenience, making it an excellent choice for year-round indoor and covered outdoor comfort. Number 5. Roomratv 5.2-inch ceiling fan with LED light. The Roomratv 5.2-inch ceiling fan with LED light is a modern and efficient ceiling fan designed to provide powerful airflow and year-round comfort for bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, kitchens, and playrooms. Featuring a sleek white finish with 3 durable plastic blades, this fan blends seamlessly into contemporary interiors while delivering an impressive 4,050 CFM airflow. Its brushless DC motor ensures energy-efficient, whisper-quiet operation at just 30 decibels, and the 6 speed settings allow you to customize airflow to your preference. The integrated LED light kit provides bright, energy-saving illumination, while the included remote control offers convenient access to fan speeds, lighting, and the built-in timer function. Designed for down rod mounting, with an easy DIY installation process, the 5.2-inch Roomratv ceiling fan combines modern style, reliable performance, and quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for both indoor and covered outdoor living spaces.